quick info, this is one of the last videos that I will make on this channel here. However, market intel will continue. So if you register on the website, again, link in the description, then you continue to get these updates on our website. Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. Today we want to take a look at a gaming cryptocurrency chart, one that is very popular. It's the Mana Decentraland chart. And what we want to do today, we want to take a look at the larger time frame and the shorter time frame, because recently the price reacted to one of our trading areas. So we'll take a look at the chart and check out any updates. Let's go. We are now on our website, dailymarketupdate.com. You can register on this website for free and you get access to all of these Elliott wave updates. And yeah, you'll find a link in the video description about cryptos, stocks, tech stocks. So these are the updates we provide. Today we want to click on the cryptocurrencies section. And by the way, if you're interested in additional updates, also make sure you follow us on our new Instagram account, The Market Intel. The link is also visible in the description. Now, what I want to do here, I want to share with you the overall, larger time frame chart. So let's do that. Let's click here on the larger time frame, and you can see that the market, is holding above that critical support level there, that invalidation point at 19 cents. That's really crucial. I mean, the market must hold above this level to keep the idea alive that we could have bottomed in a wave 2 recently. And overall, I mean, you see here on the long-term chart, we are basically still hovering around all-time lows. So the potential is alive. This could still be a wave 1 to the upside into the 2021 highs and a large wave 2 correction, but it's very, very substantial. So what we want to see on the smaller time frame is a little bit more evidence that really a low has formed. This is all still very speculative. If we get a third wave rally from here, then the $6.09 level will be a major resistance level to overcome, and then $10 plus remains likely a, let's say, long-term mathematical projection target area. These are very common targets for a third wave. We still assume the price can get there, but the condition is, as always, that the price holds above the relevant invalidation point. So that would be a clear level below which the scenario that I present here, based on the chart, based on this analysis, gets invalidated, the 19-cent level. So let's take a look at the shorter time frame chart as well. And well, you can see here on this chart that the price recently reacted to the swing low here in June. That was a, let's say, a trading area we talked about before. That was one of these support areas that we have been tracking here together. The market is still holding above that key area, and important would be now to keep any upside potential alive. And the idea is that in April a wave 2 bottomed. You see it here. Important is that the price really holds above this June low now, and we need to take the price in the next steps above 40 cents and 85 cents, our signal lines there. And what you can see on the chart is that the price might form here the next sequence of 5 waves to the upside. Nothing is moving in a straight line. So also here, for example, this orange third wave should take, it would be a sequence of 5 waves, 5 steps, 5 waves rather, a sequence of higher highs and higher lows. And so we now need a break above the May high to confirm further that this is actually the correct wave count. I have to say, I mean, if you look at the structure, the rally from the April low is kind of muted. It's not really substantial, but we do have some productive price action. I mean, it is looking like a 5 wave move up, and then the corrective pullback price did what it needed to do in this trading area. But obviously this is all still very, very fragile, and the 19-cent level remains an absolute key invalidation point, because below that level the market will need to form the next 5 wave move to the upside. And after a long-term downtrend, as you could see on the larger time frame, it takes a little bit more evidence, to confirm and convince us that really a low is in. I mean, that is sort of the preferred scenario, but please note that it's still very early days in a potential trend reversal, so it's still very, very fragile. So that's the update on Mana Decentraland. I mean, it is a carefully positive outlook, but we're still very, very close to long-term lows. So the market needs to give us a little bit more evidence, but overall the potential still exists. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure to register on the website. Quick info, this is one of the last videos that I will make on this channel here. However, market intel will continue. So if you register on the website, again, link in the description, then you continue to get these updates on our website. So I hope you like the update. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.